Wahala. 5 million is demanded for Nnamdi Kanus to be released by the appeal court. Hey, my people, make una come hear something. Make una quick, hurry, come hear something. See, we don't hear something, no be small thing. Imagine the nonsense. 5 million naira is demanded before Nnamdi Kanus can be released. On what level now? Who's supposed to pay money, or who is supposed to be compensated? My dear listeners, before I start going into this broadcast in total, I would like you to please quickly knock subscribe and begin to share this video, because in fact it be like say these people they won't start to extort unnecessarily. Well, I will start going into the video so that you will know what the 5 million naira stands for and why are they demanding 5 million naira before Nnamdi Kanus can be free from Sokoto or transferred from Sokoto. For what reason? The 5 million, is it release or transfer? We want to know out of the two. I beg, don't give me listening here as I drop this very video. Yes, so now everything being equal, as you can see on your screen, these are the documents submitted for Nnamdi Kanus appeal. Now, make una pay attention. We could go inside the video now. Look at hear this one.
Court says I go carry the issue I get from the trying court, which is the Federal High Court, into your domain, so you guys can handle it. Showing right now on your screen some of the documents coming from Nnamdi Kanus, stamped, authenticated by him. Okay. As they speak to you, the appeal court is yet to give a notice of appeal. Is yet to reply to the notice of appeal. They are yet to comment on Nnamdi Kanus' submission. But there's something we all need to know right about now. Before the appeal court to make any remark or make any decisions on the issue of Nnamdi Kanus will have to transfer every single documentation from the Federal High Court, meaning the transcript, his evidence, all the allegations leveled on him, the counts, charges, every single court statement from day one. When what's his name again? Omotosho. No, so Omotosho restarted the case from afresh. You understand when that happened, but Nnamdi Kanus will need to take all the court documents from that particular point in time. He will need to take all and present it before the appeal court. And by doing so, the appeal court registrar told Nnamdi that, see, we're waiting for you. We're waiting for you to transfer every single thing before the judges or the court will reply to your notice. And to efficiently do so, you need to present 5 million naira. What is this 5 million naira for? Well, this 5 million naira is something we say could cover all forms of logistics for Nnamdi's case. All the transferring, all the movement that has to be done. First thing first, Nnamdi will have deposited 50,000 naira already as a ground fee. 50K has been deposited. But he has to efficiently bring up about 5 million, 1 to 5 million naira for his case. Now, one thing you need to understand as we speak.
For his case to commence.
On the other hand, lawyers all over the world, lawyers in Nigeria, lawyers in different legal framework are advising Nnamdi Kanus to do something. These guys are not advising him not to pay the money, because that money, it's a flat fee. And something will be say you would have to pay. They're advising him on something that you watching this video will not like. What are these guys advising Nnamdi Kanus to do? Well, they say, Nnamdi, I beg, no handle this case by yourself. Don't attempt to even defend yourself in the appeal court. Why? They say appeal court is a technical court. It's one thing for you to know maths and another thing for you to know further maths. If you did good at maths, but you will need some tutoring, some teachers to brief you on further maths before you understand the antics we did here, because some of the formulations and formations in maths doesn't apply in further maths. You follow him back? They are telling Nnamdi Kanus, say, leave all the knowledge you think you have in law will not apply in appeal court. The appeal court is a very, very technical court. A very technical court. You need the services of legal-minded individuals to handle it efficiently for you. If you handle this case by yourself, you are at disadvantage. The court of law, the Nigerian's law, allows you to do so, defend yourself, but from experiences we done in the past, it's not best. It's not cool for you to defend yourself by yourself. That was the advice Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But as we speak, Mazi is still hell-bent on doing these whole things by himself. Yes, he's still hell-bent. He believes if nobody can do it better than him. That takes us to a different conversation. He has filed a 22 notice of appeal, or 22 reasons why the trial court, that is the Federal High Court, failed to administer justice. Have you guys gone through that 22 notice of appeal? Have you guys read through it? Well, if you have, you go see say that 22 conversations are not strong enough. Sorry to say. Some of you might not like what I'm saying right about now, but I'm saying it because it's the truth. The 22 stuffs where Nnamdi Kanu enlists are not strong enough for an appeal court, whether you like it or not. I know some of you would always want to hear that Nnamdi Kanu will win. He's going to win tomorrow. He will win next.
My dear listeners, anyway, what I want to say on this part is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yes, he's willing to call back his lawyers. Yes, he's willing to hand the case back to his lawyers. But at this point, Nnamdi Kanu is losing faith in his lawyers. Yes, he's losing faith and is now afraid that his lawyers will still do what they did in the first case. What did his lawyers did? Now, if it is you, you will do the same. Do you know that Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, while handling Nnamdi Kanu's case at Omotosho's court, the lawyers, they knew that the law Omotosho was using to challenge Nnamdi Kanu was a repealed law. They know that the law Omotosho was using to try Nnamdi Kanu was a repealed law. Yet, they continued with the trial. Not until when Nnamdi Kanu collected the case from them, went through the fight for just few hours in prison, and it detected that Omotosho has been trying with a repealed law. If na you, what you go do? Make una look at the case now. I beg, my people, I'm very willing to entertain and welcome your questions. I'm willing. Please begin to drop them. I'm going back to this video. Listen attentively.
On to Turam. The only reason why I believe that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to defend himself is he wants to defend himself in the court of law is only if there's something we don't know. Let me explain. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu might not want to spend money employing legal services if he knows that there are people in higher authorities who are currently pushing for a political settlement. Imagine you have option A and B. The option A is to spend at least or at most 5 million to file your appeal, or option B, may you spend over 100 million, file your appeal and get legal practitioners. Which one will you go with? You go with option A now, spend 5M and do your appeal by yourself. We believe that there are individuals in higher authorities who are currently actively working for this man's political freedom, because if you now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and you are sentenced to life imprisonment, you will activate all levels of legal fireworks and frameworks to remove yourself from that life sentence. Because life sentence, like we always say, no be 2 years imprisonment. Now life, you will be there. You'll be there throughout your life.
Anyway, my dear listeners, at this point, I want you to know that money is never the issue, and money can never be the issue at this point. Even if it costs 200 million, 300 million, 500 million to get Nnamdi Kanu's case, filed, Nnamdi Kanu's appeal filed, and get a legal practitioner to handle it, the money will be available. In fact, in a seconds. Do you understand? And that money will not come from Nnamdi Kanu's pocket. I am telling you this. Just one person will pay that money. But Nnamdi Kanu is trying to be very, very cautious and very careful because they don't really show on fire. They don't show Nnamdi Kanu fire. Fire no be smart in my people. Fire no be smart in my people. I beg, begin to share this video for everyone to begin to drop their opinion and what they actually think about this new update, because it will go a long way to help Nnamdi Kanu's decision, because you can see what his lawyers are saying and what the people already have started saying. You get it? Thank you.